Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Let's have a look at the top stories. Dr. Anil Kakodkar honored with first Goman Vibhushan Puraskar. Chief Minister Kamath says Dr. Kakodkar should guide Goa as energy advisor. Be helpful to be a good human. If can't help, at least don't harm others. Dr. Anil Kakodkar shares his ideology with the Goan audience. Justice Panchal to head Madai Tribunal. Karnataka gears up for legal battle. Environmentalists oppose tribunal. CM says will get justice. Three accused in Madgaon blast case applied for bail in Madgaon Sessions Court. Hearing on the plea postponed on 8 June. And four-time champion Club of India Dempo Sports Club celebrate historic achievement. Chairman Srinivas Dempo rewards members, feels Indian football system needs a revamp. And now the news in detail. Renowned scientist Dr. Anil Kakodkar has been honored by the state government with the Goman Vibhushan Puraskar. He is the first recipient of this award. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has suggested that Dr. Kakodkar should guide Goa as an energy advisor to the state.
Be with the award. We know it is heavy and it carries all the love, affection, adoration for Dr. Kakodkar.
Dr. Kakodkar is of a Goan origin. He has spent most of his years in Mumbai. Dr. Kakodkar has also played a major role in formulating US-Indo nuclear deal. Governor of Goa Dr. S.S. Sidhu, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Governor of West Bengal M.K. Narayan, MP Shantaram Naik and Francis Sardinia, and Chief Secretary Sanjeev Srivastav and Opposition Leader Manohar Parrikar were present for the function.
I think I have received several awards, but there is nothing like this one, absolutely nothing like this one. And I say this because it has come with so much of love, so much of affection, and to be a recipient of such love and affection from your roots is something that you cannot describe in words.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Nuclear scientist Anil Kakodkar said to be a good person, one should be helpful in need. Doctor said if we are unable to help, at least one should see that he doesn't harm others. He shared this ideology of his life with the audience in an open interview with his family members at the Goman Vibhushan Puraskar ceremony. Nuclear scientist Dr. Anil Kakodkar has been conferred with first Goman Vibhushan Puraskar. His mother Kamla Kakodkar, wife Suyosha and younger sister Gangla were jointly interviewed at the function held at Kala Academy on Saturday. Dr. Kakodkar exhaled his way of life to the audience.
To be a good human being, it's important that while you do conduct yourself into whatever you are channelized, either by design or even without it, but it's important that you remain useful to things around you, or in the least not be of any harm, anything that is not wanted towards things around you. That was the limited, shall I say, expectation of myself about me.
The role behind his success and brilliance is Dr. Kakotkar's mother, Kamla. Kamla said she is very happy with her son's achievements.
तुम्ही असं सांगत होता का की बाळा आता अरे दमलायस जरा दिवस सुटी घे थांब मजा घे विश्रांती घे फार घेऊ नकोस असं
मी नेहमी अजूनही असंच सांगते की विश्रांती घे वगैरे. प्रश्न असा आहे की मनुष्याने जेवढी योग्यता त्याची असते शक्ती असते तेवढं काम करावं हे तर निश्चितच, पण त्याच्या पलीकडेही जाऊन जर उत्साह असला इच्छाशक्ती असली तर ते आपोआप घडतच जातं, मग तो आईचं ऐकणार नाही.
Wife Suyasha praised her husband's behavior and success. She said, Dr. Kakotkar is cool and intellectual. He believes in accomplishing any work given to him tactfully.
ते काम झाल्यानंतर मात्र ते शांत होतात.
त्यांना ते आवडलं नाही हे तुम्हाला कसं कळतं?
ते आधीपासून सांगितलेलं असतं की काय काय व्हायला पाहिजे हे आधी सांगितलेलं असतं, त्यामुळे ते तेवढं झालं तर मग फारसं अशांतता नसते.
Dr. Kakotkar was questioned if he would accept the post as Goa's governor if offered. Kakotkar dodged it, saying ifs and buts have no answers.
If you are offered governorship of Goa, will you take it or not?
I think I don't get into this if and but questions. Really, so I'm not going to answer this question.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Madai Tribunal will be headed by the Supreme Court Judge J.M. Panchal. The names of the other two members are also finalized. News agencies report central government will soon issue a notification to this effect. Meanwhile, the environmentalists in Goa have strongly opposed the tribunal. However, Chief Minister feels Goa will get justice.
Goa government has demanded for a water tribunal on Mahadai issue. Chief Minister Digambar has high hopes of getting justice to the state from the tribunal.
सर म्हादई लवाद बद्दल सुप्रीम कोर्टान जज नियुक्त केल्ले आसा, तर तुमचे आतां कितें आतां प्लॅन्स आसतले?
आमचो डिमांड आशिल्लोच की जाता तितले बेगीन ट्रिब्युनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करचें म्हणून. केंद्रीय मंत्र्यान सांगिल्लें की आपणें चीफ जस्टिसाक पत्र बरयलां जजीसाचीं नांवां सजेस्ट करपाक. त्या प्रमाणे म्हाका दिसता सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या चीफ जस्टिसान जजांचीं नांवां तांकां सजेस्ट केल्लीं आसा. बहुधा ह्या दिसां भितर ऑर्डर इश्यू जातली.
पूण अशी जजीस आर गुड अशें कर्नाटकाच्या सायडीन अशें पार्सलिटी बीन अशें जावचें ना अशें कितें?
रिटायर्ड सगळे जजीस न्ही ते सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे जे आतां थंय तुका प्रत्येकान आपली बाजू मांडपाची आसता.
पूण आतां आमचो गोंयचो कितें डिमांड आसतलो?
आमची जी मागणी आसा ती आमी तांचे मुखार मागतले लवादा मुखार.
Environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar has strongly opposed the tribunal.
लवादाचें जे कितें प्रकरण आसा तें म्हाज्या अंदाजानुसार म्हाका दिसता की निश्चितपणान गोंयांक तातूंतल्यान नुकसान जातली, कित्याक हे लवाद जे आसा हे पाणी वाटपा संदर्भात विचार करता. आमचे नेते किंवा आमचे राजकारणी असे म्हणटात की आमी केंद्र सरकारा समोर आमची भूमिका स्पश्ट केल्ली आसा आनी त्यानुसार डॅमिंग म्हणजे धरण बांदपाक आनी डायवर्शन म्हणजे उदक वळोवपाक अजिबात म्हादयच्या पात्रांतल्यान वाव ना, उदकाक वाव ना अशें जरी म्हटलें तरी लवाद जे आसताले ते लवाद दोनी राज्यांचो निपक्षपातीपणान विचार करताले आनी गोंयचो वांटो कितलो आनी कर्नाटकाचो वांटो कितलो हें ठरयताले. पूण म्हाज्या मतान एक थेंब लेगीत जरी उदक आमच्या ह्या म्हादय न्हंयचे कर्नाटकाच्या म्हणजे वाट्याक गेले जाल्यार त्याचे दुष्परिणाम आमकां भोगचे पडटले.
The tribunal will be headed by Justice Panchal, Justice P.S. Narayanan from Andhra Pradesh High Court and Justice Vinit Mittal of Indore High Court will be other two members of the three-member tribunal. The tenure of the tribunal will be of 3 years. Water Resources Minister of Karnataka, Basavaraj Bommai said, Karnataka is preparing for a legal battle against Goa on Mahadai issue. We will get ready for a legal battle with Goa. I will constitute a legal team in consultation with Chief Minister B.S. Yadurappa, Law Minister S. Suresh Kumar, Advocate General and State Senior Counsel F.S. Nariman. Karnataka is preparing with all its might to fight the case on Mahadai issue. It remains to be seen how Goa will present the case before the tribunal. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Uday Parab from Bicholi.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.